Good morning, it's Emily. Let's make a watch list.
So, the first thing I do is I put the date and time on my watch lists so I can always go back, review my notes, and match the time up with the chart. This allows me to see how I think based on what the stock was doing at that specific time. Here we have BOXL. It's a pretty choppy stock, and I know I'm not good at trading choppy stocks, so I'll just watch this in the background, but I have no plan on this yet. It can run, so it could be worth watching, but I'm probably not going to trade it. VXRT. It has a resistance level on the daily chart from the other day. If it breaks that area, it could probably run more, but it's up a lot. It's also pretty choppy, and it's way too high priced for me. VBIV, it's up, but it's choppy. Nothing great there. Next, GENE, a ton of volume yesterday. This could end up being a red to green play, but I wouldn't short this. I don't really see a clear-cut setup on this one for long and short. Next, IBIO. It has some resistance in the low to mid threes. If it stays above the 3 area, then this can probably spike. It's proven to squeeze shorts, but it just looks way too choppy for me. And that's completely fine. You do not have to trade a setup that you're not comfortable with. Tesla, I'm just checking it out to see how the electric vehicle sector is doing, but I would not trade this. SOLO, pretty late in the pattern. I don't see anything here. WKHS, also since it's in the EV sector as well. ALYI, same thing. CYDY, nothing really happening there. LKNCY, it's more of a watch for the coming days and weeks. As of right now, I don't really see a setup, but if it grinds back up to that $5 area, then it could possibly break out. LIACF, it's another OTC, but it's too low priced for me to try the number 6 shorting pattern on it. The better setup would be if this can grind back up to that resistance on the daily chart and possibly have a multi-day breakout, just like the LKNCY plan. NEXCF, it's still holding near the highs on the daily chart. It could be trapping shorts, but if it panics to the 4s or even lower, then it could be a decent dip buy. By the way, if you didn't see my video on how to dip buy panics, check it out. It's my previous video. IPNFF, it could bounce. I don't like it. AXIM, I was actually watching this one for a while, and I didn't want to chase it in the 70s area when it broke out, because there wasn't too much consolidation other than the 50-cent area. That was way too much risk than I wanted to take, so I just decided to avoid it at the time. If it holds on to the $1 area this morning, then it can spike to the 130s and possibly even the 150s. But for me, it's still too much risk than I want to take, so I'm probably not going to trade this, but I'm going to be watching it anyway. SINT, it can run as long as it stays over the green level. It should have trouble in the 257 area and low 3 area though, but if it gets enough volume today, then it can overwhelm those resistances. It should be difficult though. HTBX, it's up a lot so far, but if it holds on to the $2 area today, then it could probably continue. This has also proved to squeeze shorts in the past, so that $2 area may be a short trap. So today, you might have been able to tell that I didn't really see any truly great opportunities yet. That can definitely change after the market open, but today may not be the day to trade. What I do at the end of my watch list is I just highlight the plans that I feel are the most important that day or in the coming days. Usually I'll highlight the setups I'm most comfortable with or the ones that I want to track and learn from in the future. If you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. If you don't like it, hit that dislike button, but try to tell me what you didn't like about it so I could try to improve in the future. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.